Hi, I'm Nikki Hendrickson with Advanced Turf Solutions, and we're going to talk about Sod Webworm, and specifically the second generation of Sod Webworm. The second generation of Sod Webworm typically emerges from late July into early August, and those caterpillars are going to hit peak population around mid-August. You should start seeing damage from Sod Webworm in probably mid-August to late August when that population really starts to ramp up. Damage from sod webworms can resemble several things. It might look like dry patches, it could look like grub damage, it could also look like disease. Young caterpillars will actually feed in between the veins of the grass blade, but as they get bigger, they'll start clipping the blade off at the base of the ground and then consuming that blade. So initially, you'll start seeing light tan areas on the turf, but as they get bigger and that population gets larger, you'll actually see short clipped areas of turf. So you really want to get down on your hands and knees and look at that ground soil interface and try to find grass clippings or look for things like frass.